From the serene hills of Tripura to the vibrant threads of our rich heritage, our identity is woven with strength, culture, and pride. On 23rd August, we honor a monumental landmark, the foundation of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, TTAADC, a historic leap in safeguarding our rights, elevating our voices, and shaping true self-governance. Today, we bow our heads in gratitude and remember all the great leaders who courageously fought to make this vision a reality. We celebrate every hand nurturing our soil, every young mind dreaming big, and every rhythm keeping our roots alive. TTAADC stands firm as a pillar of unity, culture, and progress, empowering lives, preserving legacy. Together, we continue to forge a resilient and prosperous path forward. Wishing everyone a proud and inspiring TTAADC Foundation Day.